Hi everyone, it's Annie B, and today I'm going to be making a spicy Ethiopian green lentil stew. So as you can see, these are all the ingredients laid out. I would just like to preface that there is a lot of ingredient here, and that's because we doubled the recipe for this video, so I can have it for leftovers throughout the week. I'm going to be posting the original recipe with the original amount of ingredients at the end of this video. Our first ingredient we have 4 teaspoons of canola oil. We have 4 cups of red onions chopped. We also used white onions. We have 2 tablespoons of minced peeled fresh ginger. We have 6 garlic cloves minced. We have 6 tablespoons of tomato paste. We have 2 teaspoons of Berber spice, as well as a half teaspoon of salt. We have 6 cups of organic vegetable broth. We have 2 cups of dried small green lentils. We have a half cup of finely chopped fresh cilantro. And I'm also making 8 cups of basmati rice, and that's in the rice cooker as I speak. So I've already gone ahead and I've heated the canola oil into this pan. And for the past 15 minutes, I've been sauteing these onions. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the ginger and garlic. I'm going to cook that for 5 minutes, and I'm going to stir frequently. Try and get as much ginger and garlic as possible. These flavors are going to make it pop. Alright, so we're going to stir and cook for 5 minutes. So now I'm going to add the tomato paste and the Berber spice. This is 6 tablespoons of tomato paste. And then 2 tablespoons of the Berber spice. Now this is an Ethiopian spice, and it consists of various other spices. Berber spice is made from chili powder, paprika, salt, ground coriander, ground ginger, ground cardamom, ground fenugreek, ground nutmeg, ground allspice, and ground cloves. So now we're just going to cook this for 1 minute and continue stirring. Oh man, I wish you guys could smell this right now. It smells amazing. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the 6 cups of vegetable broth. I'm going to gradually add it in and whisk. So now that I have rinsed and drained the green lentils, they look beautiful. I'm gonna add them to the broth mixture, and they're gonna be partially covered, and I'm gonna have them simmered for about 35 minutes or until these lentils are nice and tender. So the lentils have been simmering for about 45 to 50 minutes, and now what we're going to do is we're going to plate it with the basmati rice. So this is what the final product looks like. We have our lentils and our basmati rice, and it's topped with some cilantro. My sous chef and I really enjoy making this recipe, and this is a very special recipe for my family because my Aunt Mary makes it every Christmas. I hope you all enjoyed the video today.